Welcome at the Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to talk about the incident that took place where quote-unquote producer lost his life. Used to them called Tadmar or Taddy. Right? Now, whenever things like this used to happen, we used to have to, make this hell of a video and explain to people that, the loudest people in you see when things like this happen are agents. Right? Nowadays, I get to realize that the Jamaican public are actually waking up. The KAJ is losing their appeal. The KAJ is losing their effect they once had on society. One time people used to fall for this, not anymore. We don't believe you. We now know, say, in a bad man place, the people who get the most roadblocking and excitement and all the dramatics, we know say 87s and 90s get that. We know that. We know say actual innocent people not get no protest and the excitement in a bad man place. The user named Tadmar, the quote-unquote producer, was involved in a shooting, and matter of fact, just Sunday. And the man where he ended up killed, he wasn't somebody where, the community really check for like that, because you don't know guy in a bad man place, the 87s and 90s and man them in the streets, so them really are the VIPs in the community, right? Only for them life matter. Right? So the residents who did silence in that killing, right, are now out in full force. Now we could talk about residents. Right? You must understand, when you see the roadblocking are going and the whole pan nice and the whole pan dramatics and tire bun, we know some people might think to themselves, as a Grandstand people stay, we want to if you understand, whether it's Grandstand, West Kingston, South St. Andrew, Mobile, you have to understand, in a bad man place, only the agents are allowed to be vocal. So don't form an idea say, so quote unquote, Grandstand people stay. In a Grandstand, law abiding people have to keep their mouth shut. And matter of fact, law abiding people are too busy working for their block on the road. Them too busy going about their job, or if them they home, them in the most lock up. The agents them are the most vocal. In a bad man place, law abiding people cannot go on no camera and go say, well, say was good man for real. It's a bad man and I saw it go. Nobody can say that. If them say that, them have to hide in one corner. Right, and the journalists who interview them have to like hide them identity. When they see people public and I walk around, and then they know say agents. Because if they weren't, they would have to run me. If they don't run me, house burn down, dog dead and all kind of things. The people them wake up. The agents them, right? The KAJ, the kerosene them want to run out. We don't believe you. We know say Tadmar, or Taddy, whatever one want to call him, deep in the acidity. But you see, unfortunately, dancehall has been invaded. Right? Dancehall they always, there's the association with badness, but it has gotten worse and worse and worse. Outright criminals now disguise themselves as artists, as producer. So I was reading an article in a loop, and I say SSB Fletcher mentioned the facts. Right? The protest was a display of support for criminality, KAJ at work, so that's facts, and lawlessness. And this is the part that stands out to me. Right? I circle it. Predominantly a grouping of females. Of course it's a grouping of females. The kerosene is the PR agent of the 87 and the 90. I'm glad the police have put this out, One time this was taboo to talk about them things then. Because I remember my original kerosene video. All kind of people message me, how come police said that? Police said that's all you said that. What you know? Well, the police are public knowledge. When you hear them say this, then it's a nice way of saying the kerosene them make DNIs. Of course, it's predominantly a grouping of females. What type of females to the baby mothers of the 87s, them sisters, them mothers, them type of people. Right? But again, I want to understand, these people don't reflect Grandstand as a whole. I just saw it going a bad man place. Only them can be vocal and keep them alive. But more the KAJ, you understand something. More want your favorite, social media influencer / agent, whichever form them coming over, they don't want to be entertainer or whatever they call themselves these days. More want to understand something. The days when time could have hold the Jamaican people hostage with guilt tricks. You fight against ghetto people, and them like shaming tactics that to keep people quiet, it now work again. Right. You will not be allowed to control the narrative. You will not be allowed to do as you please, right, and support your favorite 87s them throughout all them madness and nothing to come out when I get called out. We don't believe you. Come off of the road. No business but no innocent life and no justice. We don't believe you. The days when time you could just, have the nation in a grip with a little shaming tactics, right, and make a bag of noise and people heart melt. Oh no, look at these group of women. Surely a group of women wouldn't be lying. Yes, they would. Yes, they definitely would. All these protests are doing it. It's showing the people in Jamaica say your favorite kerosene can be trusted. And the days when time people see one woman on TV a ball and make noise and automatically believe all them days are done. Remember the Susan Bogle case? Where your favorite kerosene tell me say soldier shoot Susan Bogle, she ball out and then shoot her again 3 rounds. Remember that? And I did the video even before the evidence come out say she never getting a 3 shot. Even before that come out, I made a video and I'm telling her said nothing can go so. Nothing cannot go so. If Susan Bogle get 3 shot, it's because that soldier have one of the rifle and fire 3 rounds at once. You're not going to convince me, right, that a unit deployed from Up Park camp go for Susan Bogle, right, for shoot the woman because she is poor and she's a ghetto woman. Complete nonsense. And if people just have some critical thinking, when they hear them story, they may think that they may realize that doesn't make sense. Only if you find out say your favorite kerosene quote unquote witness was lying, turns out there was a shootout and them don't even know who for around catch Susan Bogle. So when time them kerosene they got them bag of knives and black road, people can't go about them business, people can't go work, people can't know the public I start for open. But the public will realize that we know that we don't care about no innocent life, we don't care about no justice, we don't care about criminals, we don't care about 87s and 90s. You are nowhere to be found, right, when you actually should be stepping out, right, and getting your voice heard. We don't believe you. Your agents. I'm not talking about Sasko. You know if you understand something. Jamaica, right, is slowly waking up. Jamaica start to still look at tricks them. Because if you listen to my old video, I used to get so frustrated. Like, what does say? This is an answer story. When I say the people them take over food. Now people have messaged me and I say, them people take over food. The public is slowly waking up. KAJ, we don't believe you. This youth, quote unquote producer, one of the many who hide behind dancehall. It's just unfortunate them take the genre and turn it, right, in a haven for criminality. But just come off of the road. It's over. The jig is up. Right. The days when time when you could pull this off and the public say, oh no, it is done. Right. Just call it quits. We know say the youth deep in the acidity. We know say badness them and say. Right. People put on the screen but him don't even leave him house or him under self-imposed curfew. Right. Him not involved in the wrongdoings, him don't even leave him house. Whatever you feel most comfortable. That way you feel most nice, him don't even leave it. Him don't even need the government to tell him to stay in the yard, him just stay in there, right? We don't believe you. It's over. The public can't say right through it. We know say, on the black road for the innocent life. We know say on the black road for the justice and the quote unquote good youth. When good youth, when literally good pitney, no matter what happened to them, we just say no, we don't believe you. It's over. Call it quits. Right? The KAJ can shut down them offices now. It's done. And none of the favorite social media influencer, none of the favorite artists can turn it around. It's over. The public eyes are open. Kerosene, you no longer have the effect you once had. One of the biggest joke me here is that supposedly, bad mind dancehall artists who missed me, wish me could have been one. And can we be honest for a second or so? This is the easiest period in dancehall history for boss. Now for the man that want to say a boss now have no real talent. Absolutely none. This is probably the first time so much man can boss with no talent. There's always been a few who slip through the crack, but then they quickly get weed out. Cause after the first song, right, back in the day, people go, hold on, how you try to sneak in? You're not a talent, move from right so. But no. Some people now try to convince me say I'm an artist and have talent and I tell me say I'm bad mind, I have to laugh. it is simply so easy for boss now that, the amount of garbage that is being put out, disguised as quote-unquote music. We feel sorry for the man them review music like reggae media TV and them platform. They don't know how them wanna be when the stomach strong. Because if you sift through so much garbage, right, and have to review so much garbage just to find a one and two actual real talent, it must be a very difficult job. But I understand that's how it go. Man, the stomach stronger than mine. The substance in the music. But Jamaican culture, Jamaican society is low frequency. Right? Very acidic. The masses love the low frequency garbage. Matter of fact, the lower the frequency, the more them draw to it. So when a man go up on the TV, the more foolishness him say, is the more laughs him get from the public and the more them get drawn into it. But here's the downside. Them not last long. Them draw to you because them say, oh, you hear what him say? Oh, him saying this? Man, people get, people might run in for a little bit and they can walk on and do two hand gestures with them hand like say them a gunman for 3 minutes and 30 seconds in a party. But they quickly wake up and realize, alright, there's nothing here to see, time to move on. And then that artist is left twiddling his thumbs. I've seen it so many times. In the end, all the substance remain. They must say the man, right, everybody had chase, dead and gone long time, and them still can't pass him out. The excuse them when them artists come up with why them struggle to sell albums and him, oh, him can't do promotion, him can't go here so, him can't travel, him locked up. Me I wonder what kind of promotion Bob Marley do. When was the last time you see Bob Marley on tour? Can somebody send me a video the last time you see Bob Marley on Afro Tree? I said, buy my album. Can you please support? Send me that video because the excuse them want to make one of your favorite artists and why them underachieve. Me I wonder, right, if Bob Marley get them excuse there too. Or because him can't go here so, or because him there so. Well, it look like say Bob Marley a tour the world and a promo the whole world. The man who truly set the standard, the great artists of them time. Right. I wonder what kind of excuse they give some of them because enough of them dead and gone. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up himself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Bless.